Hi guys, so I actually wanted to do a quick unboxing and a review of Kate Spade New York. They actually got these really cool watches. They look like they're just plain regular watches, but they actually are a hybrid smartwatch. And so I just wanted you guys to see how they look. They're very stunning watches. And they connect to your phone. And I'll actually first show you what's in the box. It just comes with like the watches and then the little hybrid smartwatch. What tells you that it's actually an activity tracking. It takes a photo. It tracks your sleep. It's a smartphone. It gives you smart notifications. Charging is actually not required, and it controls your music. It's actually very cool because you don't have to charge them. They actually come with a battery, and they come with a little note, whatever it is, like a little whatever that you need to know, like a booklet. And then it comes with its own key. This is the key. It's actually to unlock the watch, to switch out for the battery. When it dies, you actually pull that thing out, and I guess you put it in here this way, and you twist it, and it opens the watch, so you can actually switch off the batteries. But this is the actual watch. It's a leather watch. I got it in like a nude color, but and gold. They actually have them also in black belt, and then this is like silver around. So there's only two colors that I know of. It says Kate Spade here. I don't know if you can see. And this is the watch itself. So actually these three buttons, they're actually just regular, they're not regular, they're actually buttons, not actually the ones to roll and to set the time. Actually, you can just set them up. I have them set, this one I have set up to find my phone. When my phone gets lost, I just press this button and it finds my phone and it rings for me so I can find it, which is a very cool feature. But you can adjust it to any other feature you want. I have this one as a notification. It shows me the last notification. And then I have this one. I don't even know what I have it for. Oh, it's to actually take a picture. Yeah, because recently we went out with friends and I just put my phone far away and I press this button and it took a picture of all of us, which is very convenient. If you don't have like a selfie stick and that kind of stuff, you can use your watch for that. And then actually every time somebody calls me, it vibrates, and I set it to go to Kate Spade sign, so to 12 to show me. And when my husband calls me, I have it set for the 6 o'clock for the champagne glasses. So every time my husband calls me or texts me, if it goes here, I know it's my husband, so it's more important. If it goes up, then I know it's just somebody else. So whenever I want to check my phone, I check my phone. They're actually very cool. I love them. I don't know if you can hear, but they can vibrate. Look. So it shows me that I just end up getting a notification. So I don't know. I love them. I really enjoy them. They're very cool. They're a little bit on the thicker side from the standard watch, but they're really worth it. I've always wanted a smartwatch, but I just did not want the digital one. I really wanted to look more like, more professional, more sleek. And so I'm really glad I got these. I enjoy them, and I hope you will too. Don't hesitate, buy them. You'll love them, I'm pretty sure. And then I guess you can always change the bracelet if you don't like the color. I'm pretty sure you can adjust them, but this is how they look on my hand. And they actually track your sleep, and so we can put how much hours you want to sleep, because actually you can download the app to your phone, and it actually tracks your sleep, then it tracks your steps, and as you sleep, this little moon will fill up and it'll go all the way pink, that you have your 8 hours of sleep. At least that's what I have for. But I mean, you can put 12 whatever hours, 3 hours, how many you need, it doesn't matter. So this is my review on the Kate Spade watch. They are called hybrid smartwatch. So because they aren't fully digital like the other ones, they can see everything on the watch. It just kind of, you have your little secret notes on the watch that you can put in so you know what's where and who's texting you and what's happening, what's going on. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be posting more reviews of more items as I buy things. Thank you.